hope you had a lovely half term and you spent some nice time with your family. But now it's time to get busy back with Google Classroom with all our activities that are ready for you to get busy with now. So this week in maths, we are going to be learning all about doubling. Now, we didn't touch on this specifically when we were in school, but we did talk about it in some of the things that we were doing in maths. So all your activities this week are going to be all about doubling. And you say that word, children, doubling. It's quite a big word. Fantastic. Doubling, that's what we're learning about. And today, I have got a nice doubling story to tell you that's going to help us learn about what doubling is and what happens to numbers when we double them. Okay? So, I have got a friend that I would like you to meet today. And his name is Dexter. What's his name, children? Dexter. Fantastic. And guess what Dexter is? He's a spider. Okay, so I'm going to show you what Dexter looks like as a spider. So I'm going to draw him for you. He's dangling down on his spider web. So here is Dexter. But do you know what, children? What do we notice about Dexter in our story? He's feeling a bit sad, isn't he? And if you look closely at Dexter, there's a reason why he's feeling a bit sad. Because he's only got 4 legs. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, and on this side, he's got no legs. It's a bit sad, isn't it? Looks like a bit of a funny spider. He's got 4 legs on this side and no legs on that side. And that's why he's feeling a bit sad. But then, one day, he came across a spider web. I'm going to draw my spider web. He came across a spider web, and inside the spider web there was something dangling from it. And it had lots of smoke coming out of it. It looked a little bit like a potion. It looked like a special potion. So Dexter decided to grab the potion and he drank it. He went, look, 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 look. And he drank all of his potion. And guess what happened to him, children? Look what's happened to Dexter. Look what's happened to him. He's all happy and smiley now because what do we notice about the legs on him now? Before he drank the potion, he had 4 legs. And now he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's got 8 legs. He has drank a very special bottle of double potion. And what's happened is his legs have doubled in size. So you will notice that he had 4 legs on this side. And when he drank his double potion, he's got double the amount of legs. He had 4 on this side, and he's got another 4 on this side. Wow, because that's what happens, children, when you drink double potion. When you drink double potion, you get the same number of legs again. So he gets 4 more legs on this side. Because now you can see he has got the same number of legs on each side. He's got 4 on this side and he's got 4 on this side. And all together, how many legs does he have? Do you think you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. All together, he's got 8 legs. So that means that double 4 is 8. So he's got 4 on this side, 4 on this side, and all together he's got 8. And that's what you have to remember about doubling, children, is that the two numbers have to be the same. So let's have a look at Dexter on a different day. So on Monday, Dexter has only one leg. Now if Dexter drinks his double up potion, he will get another leg on the other side. So he's got one on this side, one on this side, and all together, how many has he got? He's got 1, 2. That's right, he's got 2 all together. So double 1 equals 2. Fantastic, I'm going to write that for you. Double 1 is 2. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at Tuesday. So on Tuesday, he's got 2 legs. And then what's going to happen when he drinks his double potion? He needs the same number of legs on this side. So how many legs has he got here? He's got 2. So how many legs do I have to have on this side? What's the same number as 2? It's 2, isn't it? He needs to have 2 legs again, because that's what's really important about doubling, is that both your numbers are the same on each side. So let's look at what double 2 is. We've got 2 on this side, 2 on this side. How many legs has he got all together? Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So double 2 is 4. Fantastic. Okay, let's look at Wednesday. He had a bit of a tricky day on Wednesday. Let's look at this one. What do you notice about this one? Come and have a look at Dexter's legs on this one. Can you see here? He's got how many legs on this side? He's got 1, 2, 3. Got 3 on that side. What about on this side? How many legs has he got here? He's only got 1, that's right. Now, I don't think he's drank his double up potion properly, because what do we notice about his legs? They are not the same number. That's right. And for him to double up, he needs to have the same number of legs on each side, and he hasn't, because 3 and 1 are not the same, are they? So what can we do to fix his problem? How can we make sure that these legs are the same as these legs? Let's have a look. Let's see if we can make him happy again. So I've got 3 on this side. I need another 3 on this side. Now can you see that they are both the same now? And you see we've got 1, 2, 3 on this side and 1, 2, 3 on this side. So 3 here, 3 here. Now how many legs has he got all together? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. He's got 3 on this side, 3 on this side. All together he's got 6. So double 3 is 6. Fantastic. So this one is not a double. So I'm going to put a big red cross in it. This one is not a double because his legs were not the same on each side. Okay? So that's what we've got to remember, children, is that your legs need to be the same number on each side for it to be a double. Okay? So, what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at plotting it on one of our maps. Okay? So we're going to plot Dexter's story on one of our word maps, and I'd like you to have a go at doing this in a minute. But Ms Eesha's going to show you how to do it first. Okay? So you will recognise our word maps that we always do at the start of a new topic in maths. And in the middle I'm going to write Dexter's double trouble. And then we need our 4 boxes. Okay? So on this side we're going to draw our story. Over here, we're going to write it. Over here, we're going to show it on a 10 frame. And over here, we're going to show it on a part, whole model. So, on our story, what happened first in the story? What can you remember? What happened at the start? Why was he sad? That's right, he was sad because he only had 4 legs. He had no legs on that side, so he was feeling a bit sad. And then he drank his double potion, didn't he? He drank his big bottle of double potion, and then he doubled up. He got the same number of legs on each side. He got 4 on that side and 4 on this side. And he had 8 legs all together. So he doubled up. Fantastic. So I'm going to write that. I'm going to write the numbers here. So how many legs has he got on this side? 4. Fantastic. How many legs has he got on this side? 4 again, because that's what's really important. When you're doubling, both of your numbers need to be the same, don't they? So 4 add 4, and how many legs all together? 8. Fantastic. So 4 add 4 equals 8. So double 4 is 8. Fantastic. Okay, now let's have a look at it on a 10 frame. So I'm going to draw them. And I need 2 10 frames. Because we are doubling, aren't we? So we need 2 of them. And I'm going to draw Dexter's legs on the 10 frame, but I'm going just to pretend that they are spots. So first he had 4 legs, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to double up, we need another 4. 3, 4. And then all together, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. And you will notice that both of the numbers on the 10 frames, they are both the same. Because that's what we've really got to remember. You need 2 numbers that are the same. Okay? Let's have a look at it in our part, whole model then. So we need our whole number, now 2 parts. So he had 4 legs on one side. How many legs did he have on the other side? Another 4 legs. Fantastic. And how many did he have all together? He had 8 altogether. Fantastic. And you can see there again that both the numbers are the same. You can see in every single one of our examples, both of the numbers are the same. That's what you've got to remember in your doubling, when you're drinking your doubling potion. Both of your numbers stay the same and they double up. Okay? So, if you look on Google Classroom, mums and dads, you will see a copy of Dexter's double up story. And you will see a copy of the map that we've just drawn here together. So what I would like you to do, children, is to have a look at the story again. Make sure you know what happens at the start. And then what happened to Dexter. And then what happened at the end. Make sure you know that really well. And then go and have a go at doing one of these yourself. Okay? Have a go at drawing the story. Have a go at writing the numbers. Have a go at drawing the numbers on a 10 frame. And have a go at drawing the numbers on a part whole model. And have lots of discussions with your children about how doubling means you need 2 of the same number. And again, you can have a look back at this as well, because this is a really good way to explain to children that this is not what it looks like, but these are examples of what doubling does look like, okay? And there will be a picture of that for you on Google Classroom as well. Alright, so make sure you come back tomorrow, children, where we're going to play a fun game, again with Ms Eesha, okay? And if you've got any questions or any problems, please do get in touch with your teacher. Alright then, bye Red Base.